Welcome to Virtual Express. Uncompromised quality. The anodized aluminum cavity is crafted using a precise anodizing process and is further perfected with a zircon sandblasting procedure. This renders the earphones scratch-proof, fingerprint-resistant and lightweight. The outer shell features an elegant carbon look for effortless style. Immersive sound experience. Dual drivers are here to deliver a never-heard-before audio experience. The immersive sound allows you to experience every note in sharp detail. Distinct sound signature. The clear mids offer superior instrument separation and enthralling vocals. Sparkling trebles let the guitars and lead solos really shine, making these the perfect earphones for your desired listening. Also enjoy rich bass complementing the highs and mids. Designed to perfection. The braided cable is smooth to touch and anti-winding. You can effortlessly store it in your pockets, bag or case without the worry of repeated untangling. 3-button operation for better convenience and operability. Trigger the voice assistant by long pressing the play-pause button. 90 degrees close-fitting design fits almost all smartphones, and the minimal wire exposure keeps the durability intact. Magnetic suction design makes the storage process simple and effortless. Soft, comfortable anti-slip earplugs perfectly fit the contour of your ears, offering exceptional comfort. MI dual driver in-ear earphones has dual dynamic drivers, passive noise cancellation, crisp vocals with rich bass, magnetic earbuds, tangle-free braided cable. Let's start the unboxing, and don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get all notifications from us.